we talk about how can you add your address on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings. Then you just switch in here to open with you. It's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here until you will find here profiles here in this like it is. You click on this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to Nextdoor. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you add your storage address here. Click on continue, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking